Suck it in, you know what I mean? Do your thing, do your thing.
Yo. Off the top of the mind, at the drop of a dime, slice it in the middle, make nickels. The original mighty, many lyrical styles, subliminal, wild, imperial child, known for ripping it, hitting with different rhymes that I designed to stain your brain like iodine. Scorching hot, transform. Robot, you've been warned. I'll flip a script, stick a bitch, lick the click, get a bit ridiculous with a conspicuous arithmetic which consists of my ballistics. Rip microphones with the hyperpole, ignite your dome. I dwell where the righteous roam. The epitome of versatility, disperse a verse so willingly. And I expected you to give credit where credit's due. Styles that I disperse is something you could never do. I bring out the best in you. Damage your amateur stamina on camera, rookie. You cannot manage to enter the center. Lyrical representative, tragic tactic possessor. I have you dropping your drawers like broken dresses, overloading with heavy sweaters. I get raw, a predator with better metaphors. Delete competitors, etc. X-Files marked, etc. Whatever the rest, whoever the best competitor get left boneless. When paradox recollect, date back, take spines to the first place we ever met. Flip it with tactics. Every word that I say, I'ma do it backwards. Do it backwards, I do it, ignite, fluid, ignite, ludicrous, Mike, ludicrous, lunatic, getting hype, lunatics, influence, fly, rhymes fly, why try my mind? Or petrify queers, step inside of your career, jeopardize your peers. I'm known for taking flight, breaking night. I orbit space on bright rays of light and never come down. However, my sound will pound ground and break concrete. Styles many will bomb fleets. Ruinous, pitiful, ludicrous, imbecile, new to this ritual, influence the lyrical, mutinous, spiritual, unions which ridicule you and your typical, booing a difficult doing. I flex, catch wreck, who's next to step, wipe sweat off of the forehead. More MCs are left dead and the casualties of war. I am known to explore levels that are not yet been touched by man. However, I can make a touchdown in a football game which contains lyrics and change it to basketball and do a slam. Put a grand in front of the slam, home runs, run from home. No need to pack a chrome done, change the D to a G, make a gun, make no sense like selling products for negative prices. I'm the nicest on the mic device that I rip. Baffled therapist, stump psychiatrist, you can never diss the rhyme that I inflict. My spinal twist, acid, flashback. No need to blast cats, I strangle dogs with one hand. Styles many, the son of man. Like that, a freestyle.